this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create motion trail effect using Kdenlive. To begin with, I'm going to take this video from the project bin and drag and drop it to video track 1. There is an audio file as well, so I'm just going to right click, ungroup clips, and delete this audio track. Now, next, I'm going to take the playhead, navigate to the point in time where I want to start adding the motion trail. Let's say from the point in time where the skateboard lifts, right here. Then I need to split the clip, so I'm going to select the scissors, cut the clip here, and then move the playhead to the point where I want motion trail to finish. Let's say around this point right here. Split the clip again, split that playhead. Now go back to selection tool. So right now we have separated this section where we'll be adding motion trail. Next thing we have to do is create 3 additional copies of this part in video track 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna copy, just paste 3 times. Now I'm going to align them all like this. Then I'm going to zoom in, and right now I need to align them. Right now I'm going to move about 3 keyframes to the right, and then move this part out, move another 3 keyframes to the right, move this part, and then move to 3 and move this last section like this. So we're creating these steps every 3 keyframes. Now I'm going to trim this part to match this original section. So I'm just going to trim the clips like this. All right, so now we have created these multiple clips. It's the same clip, 3 copies. Now navigate over in between video 1 and 2. Here, click on this purple circle to create this composition layer. Then in the settings, open drop down and change this from wipe to composite. Then scroll down, find opacity, and change this to 50%. Now also don't forget to untick align. You don't want this selected. Now create another composition layer between these 2 clips and these 2 clips. You can do the same, or you can just copy this composition layer and just add it like this. Paste again. Add it in between the clips again, just like this. Just make sure they are all set to 50% opacity and nothing is selected here. Now if I replay the clips, there, as you can see, we have this motion trail effect. And this is it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.